Most people assume digital banks are just traditional banks with a modern app, but the surprising truth about Next Level Banking in 2026 is how aggressively it focuses on flexibility and speed. If you're tired of slow approvals and confusing fees, stay with me. Next Level Banking is a fully digital banking platform offering checking, savings, and short-term liquidity tools. Opening an account takes minutes, and identity verification is streamlined compared to older institutions. Once inside, users get access to fee-free checking, competitive savings rates, and optional instant cash access tied to income activity. One feature that stands out is early income access. Eligible users can receive part of their paycheck up to 2 days early without interest, which can be a lifesaver for timing bills. Most people get this wrong by treating early access as extra income, but it's simply your money sooner. Used wisely, it helps avoid overdrafts and late fees. Next Level also provides strong budgeting tools. Transactions are automatically categorized, spending alerts are customizable, and monthly summaries clearly show where your money goes. For users trying to regain control of their finances, this transparency can be a game changer. On the downside, Next Level Banking doesn't offer physical branches, and customer support is primarily digital. While response times are generally fast, people who prefer in-person banking may feel limited. Next Level Banking is best for working professionals, gig workers, and anyone who values speed, flexibility, and low fees. It's less ideal for users who rely heavily on cash deposits or face-to-face service. In conclusion, Next Level Banking in 2026 is still worth it for users who want a modern, efficient bank that works at the speed of real life. Use the tools responsibly, avoid relying on early access too often, and it can be a strong financial upgrade. Subscribe for more no-nonsense banking and finance reviews.